everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Perry's Mini Fridge. This is so adorable. This is the little like makeup vault kind of product that they have. It comes with 5 miniature sized products in a super cute little refrigerator case. So these are the 2 colors of the little refrigerators. Again, the actual products that come inside are the exact same, so I wish they would have like varied them up from the blue to the pink version. That way I could have like justified buying both of these better in my mind. But yeah, I will show you guys all the products that comes in here and show you the cute little accessories that are in here. So the price of mine were about $15.65 from Rose Rose Shop. So when you open it up, this is the little refrigerator, about this big in case you want like a size reference. So that's the little refrigerator, and then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's so cutely presented. So these are the 5 products that you get. You get 2 of the Vivid Tint waters. So these are both lip products. You get 1 ink multi. This is supposed to be like a contouring type of product or like a shading product, which is a whipped kind of moussey cheek cream product. And then you get the ink velvet, which is a lip color. So I think you could probably get away with like interchanging these if you want. So then you can pop out this little tray. This is just like a little throwaway kind of, you know, plastic tray, and then you have the little refrigerator. Then in the box you have the little like accessories that come for the like little refrigerator. So it looks like you get 3 like little water bottles, you get an ice cream container, you get like a little soup can, 3 Coke cans, 2 milk cartons, there's a little tray of eggs, a little ice tray, and then there's also like little shelves in here that you put into the refrigerator. And then finally, there are these little sheet of vinyl stickers that you obviously apply to the little cans. So I'll show you how to apply these at the very end, but first let's talk about the actual products. So starting off with the contour, this is the contouring product. This is the Ink Multi Shading. Another thing is like, since these are so like cute and teeny tiny, the brush is like super tiny, so you kind of have to like get a good grip on this so you don't drop it, but let's give it a go. So I'm just gonna kind of paint like a little streak there where I would do my contour, and then I'm going to use my little sponge to blend it. So that seems to be super subtle. I'm going to see if it builds up and if I can kind of get something a little bit more intense. I'm, you know, typically a big fan of a little bit more of a dramatic contour because I do have quite a round pudgy face. So anything I can do to kind of make it look a little more like chiseled, I feel like is just totally my thing. Okay, so I don't know how much you'll be able to tell, but that is with the contour color, and this is the side without. Can you tell a difference? I honestly can't. It's like you can see the color there, but it's like as soon as I blend it, it just seems to really kind of, you know, sheer out quite a bit. So that is with the contour color applied to both sides. I would say that is an extremely subtle one. I don't think I would, even on myself, notice that I have done anything. I'm gonna do a little bit around the forehead area. And that's it with it applied to my forehead. So I definitely think this is a super subtle contour, not my favorite. It is super adorable. I like the size of it though. I'm gonna try it for a nose contour. I'm hoping that will kind of be like the saving grace for me for this product, because otherwise I think it's just not gonna work for me. And I'm super fair, but I just like things a little bit more intense. So now that I look crazy, I'm gonna take this brush and blend this out. So that's how it looks using it as a nose contour. I feel like that is the absolute best use I'm gonna have for this. Maybe possibly like an all over like eyeshadow color or something. But as far as like a face kind of product, I don't really care for this, but I can totally make this work for nose contour. I think it's also good because it is a little more sheer of a product. It's better for like nose contouring because those we typically want to be a little less obvious. So I feel like I could totally make it work for that. So is it exactly what I expected it to be? Not quite, but I still think there is totally a use for it for me. So moving on to the next product, this is the cheek product. This is called the Ink Cheek. This one's in the color Flushed Peach Pink. Yeah, Flushed Peach Pink. And this one is, again, the same size, same kind of lip applicator kind of brush. So I'm going to do a little dots of this on my cheek. Hopefully I didn't apply too much. And I like to blend cream blushes in with this type of brush. It's just the best product in my opinion for applying liquids to the cheek. So actually I really like that. That was super pretty and soft. So this is the side with the blush and this is the side without. I'm gonna layer it up a little bit more and kind of see how intense I can kind of get it. I don't want to go too intense though, but you definitely want to work quickly with liquid cheek products. Otherwise you might have like just a streak across your face, which I think is not always the cutest look. Okay, I really like the blush so far, so that is totally like a thumbs up for me. I think this is also like just such a perfect color tone for my skin tone, so I really like that as well. Okay, I give the cheek product a total thumbs up. I love that. That was so simple, so cute. You could probably get away with like dabbing this in with your fingers as well if you don't like have a brush. And of course, since it's so tiny, you could like easily throw this in your makeup bag without it taking up a whole lot of space. But yeah, I give this a total thumbs up. I wish the contouring shade was as like pigmented as this one, but unfortunately it's not. So the next product is very similar to the last one. This one's called the Ink Velvet though, and I'm pretty sure this one's supposed to be for your lip, but I mean, you could probably get away with using this on your lip and this on your cheeks as well. I feel like that would totally be okay. And then the other two lip products that comes with it is the Vivid Tint Waters. So they look a little bit different. They're super cute. You get two different colors. So 3 lip products, a cheek product, and a contour product comes in this kit. So I'm gonna come back and do the lips after I've done the rest of my makeup. One thing I do wanna say, I would not recommend using this product on your cheek though, because these I used once before and they are intense. So I will talk more about that when I come back. So for my lip color, I'm gonna go with the Ink Velvet one. I have tried these once or twice, and again, I will show pictures of what these look like on, but I haven't tried this one yet, so I thought this one would be fun. This one is called the Ink Velvet, and this one's in the color Vivid Coral. It smells really good, so I'm gonna apply this one. Definitely super pigmented. Oh my god. So this is what the color looks like. This one feels super soft on the lips. It does have that very like creamy, moussey texture. It has like a little bit of like a watermelon-y kind of scent or taste to it. But I really like this color. It's really pretty. I find that I wear these colors more in like the summertime. So I like this color a lot. The texture feels really nice on my lips. The only thing, it does feel like one that would probably, you know, move a bit. So I would want to be careful if I was like eating anything, especially with this such a bright color. But I find this is very comfortable. I would totally like buy more of these in the future. I love the texture of it. If you like those kind of whipped, moussey kind of lip products, I feel like you totally like this as well. And I will insert pictures or clips of what these two lip products look like on. These are more of like a true lip stain. Like these are super, super potent liquid colors. They are the consistency of like water, so it's extremely thin. I like these whenever I want to like have a color that I know is not going to go anywhere. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll apply these, let the color sink in, and then kind of blot off all the product, and then you're left with just the stain of the color. And these definitely do stain. One thing that I don't like about these, which is almost like the opposite effect when you wear a liquid lipstick. So if you ever get those like butthole lips and stuff, where obviously the lip product is not sticking to like that inner portion of the lips where like it's kind of wet, you know, these almost do the opposite effect, where that's where they really stick, and then it will also stick on the outermost rim. So like when it starts to wear away, it almost gives me this like lip liner look, which is not my favorite. So I would definitely say this is a product I would have to keep with me to keep touching up every once in a while, because the product does tend to wear away most the like center parts of my lips. So this is like a really cute product. I like these, especially if you like a lip tint that's gonna stay there, even if you might have to like touch it up a little bit. I find that these give really bright colors. The only other thing I would probably suggest is maybe pairing this with like a lip liner first, because these bleed so bad if you're not careful. So if you have extremely liney kind of lips, especially on the like outer half, I would probably stay clear of these products, but be prepared for these to stain and wear off slightly unevenly. Whenever I'm like ready to remove these, I have to kind of go at it a bit with a, you know, like a makeup wipe. And usually for, you know, maybe even a day after, I will still be stuck with like on the very inner part of my lip with some color. So I don't know why it sticks like that, but it definitely does. And these are also scented as well. This one kind of has more of like a lemony kind of like sweet scent, and this one is like slightly more of like a watermelony peach, kind of like a peach ring. Yeah, it smells just like a peach ring. I love it so much. I really want to eat peach rings so bad, but I can't have those anymore. So I think like if the little refrigerator doesn't like speak to you like it spoke to me, you could probably skip on these unless you're just really interested in trying, you know, a whole bunch of these different products. Overall, I would say I liked, you know, 4 out of 5 of the products, which I think is a pretty good ratio. So that's pretty much all it for the actual products. I'm gonna move on to like a quick little clip of how to apply the little stickers and what the little refrigerator looks like and all the little accessories as well. So that is pretty much it for my review of the Perrys Mini Fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.